Hey everyone, it's Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today we're gonna be making a margarita. Probably said that a little weird. So margarita, super simple, 3 ingredient cocktail. You have your 1 ounce of Cointreau, 1 ounce of lime juice, and 2 ounces of Blanco Tequila. We're not doing that today. Instead, we're gonna make a passion fruit margarita that I've tried to figure out the best method and best specs for. Instead of Cointreau, we're gonna be using Pierre dry Curaçao, which isn't as sweet and doesn't have as much sugar content as Cointreau does. And the Passoã, the reason why I don't want as much sugar content is because we're using Passoã, which is a passion fruit liqueur. And Passoã is such a fun liqueur to say. Passoã! The Passoã has a little bit more sugar content than if you just did the 3 ingredients. So really, it's a 4 ingredient cocktail that we're doing today. There are other passion fruit liqueurs. I haven't tried them, but Passoã, you can't go wrong with it. Super good. So let's get started, shall we? First, gonna get a fresh lime, and gonna cut it, and we're gonna do 1 ounce of lime juice. Uno. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Gonna throw that in our tin, and then we're gonna do. That's more expensive. Let's do this. Our cheap ingredients first. 2 ounces of your preferred Blanco Tequila. I am using Espolòn. Jug. 2 ounces of that. Try not to spill like me. I tend to spill. It's not a good habit. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of Passoã. I really should be folding that label out. Oh well. And then 1 ounce of Pierre dry Curaçao. Look. Perfect. And then get our tin, fill it with ice. You know the rest. Let's move our jigger. Combine the tins, get a good seal, and shake. Okay, then get a chilled cocktail glass. Woo. And I don't like salty rim on my margaritas. It just, oh man, that is a good seal. Good job, me. There we go. Oh my goodness, that was a really good seal. Holy crud. Okay. As I was saying, I don't like a salted rim on mine. I just feel like it takes away from the flavors, the orange and the tequila, and especially the Passoã. Okay, we're gonna double strain. I rarely single strain. I hate ice chunks. It really ruins the flavor of the drink. And there we have it. My version of the passion fruit margarita. It looks really nice and pink. But let's give it a sip. Oh man, that's good. So, tasting notes. You definitely get. So the Passoã hits first. The passion fruit, you get it like that. It lasts the whole sip. And then you get your orange notes from the dry Curaçao. And then finally you get that kick with the Espolòn. You get that more peppery kick towards the end of the sip. You feel that on your throat. It isn't the sweetest drink, but I don't like my drink super sweet. You can add agave nectar, but I omitted that. Have a great day and week, everyone. Stay safe.